Welcome to Understand Hub, where we make complex things simple and easy to understand. Today, we're diving into the world of meal prepping, a game changer for anyone looking to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen. Stick around as we break down the basics of meal prepping and how it can transform your eating habits. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey, check out the link in the description for an amazing product that's helping thousands achieve their health goals. Our expert today is Dr. Mark Hyman, a physician and best-selling author known for his work in functional medicine. He emphasizes the importance of whole foods and meal planning in achieving optimal health. Dr. Hyman states, "Food is medicine, and when you prepare your meals, you take control of your health." Meal prepping involves preparing meals or ingredients in advance to save time and ensure healthy eating throughout the week. It can range from cooking full meals to simply chopping vegetables or marinating proteins. Here are some key benefits of meal prepping. Number 1, it saves time, which reduces daily cooking time. Number 2, it promotes healthy choices, which helps avoid unhealthy takeout or snacks. Number 3, it reduces food waste, which allows you to use ingredients before they spoil. To begin meal prepping, you'll need number 1, containers. Invest in quality, BPA-free containers for storage. Number 2, planning tools. Use a calendar or app to plan your meals for the week. Number 3, grocery list. Create a shopping list based on your planned meals. Select recipes that are nutritious, easy to prepare, and can be stored well. Focus on lean proteins, chicken, turkey, tofu, or legumes, whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain pasta, fruits and vegetables, seasonal produce for freshness. Utilize efficient cooking methods such as batch cooking, which is preparing large quantities of one dish. One-pan meals reduces cleanup by cooking everything in one pan. Freezing portions, cook in bulk and freeze individual portions for later use. Proper storage is crucial for keeping meals fresh. Label containers with dates to track freshness. Store meals in appropriate portions to avoid overeating. Use glass containers for easy reheating and durability. When it's time to eat, reheat meals properly. Use a microwave-safe container or transfer to a plate. Heat until steaming hot to ensure food safety. Add fresh herbs or spices to enhance flavor when reheating. Many people have transformed their eating habits through meal prepping. Testimonials reveal that planning ahead leads to better food choices and less stress during busy weeks. Here are some insightful quotes from other nutrition thought leaders. Michael Pollan, "Eat food, not much, mostly plants." Alice Waters, "The best way to teach is to show." Marion Nestle, "You can't just eat healthy food, you have to eat it in the right amounts." Meal prepping can simplify your life and improve your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tips on healthy living. And here's a secret tip for sticking with meal prep. Did you know that involving friends or family in meal prep can make it more enjoyable? Plan a weekly prep session together. This not only makes it fun, but also helps everyone stay accountable to their health goals. Thank you for watching Understand Hub. Join us next time as we continue simplifying healthy habits for everyone.